we go. Right arm up and 1, 2, 3, strong core, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now turn to your right and we'll go overhand, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Thumbs up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. 2, up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And 3, up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And 4, up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And 4 more. 5, up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And 6, up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And 7, up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And last one, up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. Woo! And up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And 3, up, hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And 4, up, hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And 5th time, up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And 6, up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And 7, up and hold. 2, 3, 4, release. And last time, up, hold. 2, 3, 4, release. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now swing around and come out underhand on the left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now split time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now backwards and together time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now split time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, underhand, right up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to swivel to overhand. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now here we go, swivel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and down.